Generally, okay, there's also usually a solid median here, right? So you just get in just before where that solid median begins, just before it. The reason you get over the, cross the yellow lines is because that allows you to get your car centered and straight in that lane. If you wait for the white lines, sometimes that's just not enough distance here, and a lot of people get in too late, and they'll get in here and their car will be sticking out in this lane, the back end. So it's better to get in a little bit like that. Now I just went and made a mess of your page here. That's my ability, my drawing ability here.
It's okay.
So, okay. And so on the day of your road test, if you're taking this vehicle, don't forget to use the hand motion when you're applying that brake. And just obey the rules of the road. Prove to them that you have due care and control of the vehicle. Once you start the road test, you're on your own. They don't help you. And they cannot answer any questions if you have any along the way.
Yeah.
But they do give you an opportunity to ask them any questions before you start. Yeah. Just so like for clarification or whatever concerns that you may have. If you bring any sunglasses, ask them for permission to put them on first.
Okay.
Yeah, some of them don't mind, others they mind because they can't see your eyes.
That makes sense though.
Yeah, so just keep that in mind.
I probably won't. I don't ever wear sunglasses,
Okay.
so
Okay.
I don't have that problem.
So that won't be an issue.
No. And I think I will probably take this car because I'm gonna buy the thing, whatever it was, because my mom's car. I don't know if you can't have any damaged cars, right? There's just a little bit of damage on the front, so I can't. And we don't know when it's gonna get fixed.
Yeah, so that might they probably let that go unless it's like hanging loose.
No, like it's still like everything still works.
Yeah, okay. They care about no cracks in the windshields.
Yeah.
They want the horn to work.
Yeah.
The parking brake to work,
Your lights.
and the signals,
Yeah.
and all the lights.
Do they test that before you start?
Yeah, so here's how it works actually. They'll come out of the road test center after you register. You'll be sitting in the vehicle with the car started.
Yep.
Your seatbelt is on, you're ready to go, your lights are on, everything's good, no radio. That's why I keep it off, just so you get used to that, right? That quietness. Yeah. And then they'll come up to the window, they'll ask to see your license, and then they'll do a little circle check. You stay in the car, they'll ask you to honk the horn. Go ahead and honk the horn. Beep, there it is.
Okay.
And then a left signal and a right signal.